पंजाब लिए चलते हैं आपको, जहां पर इस वक्त मुख्यमंत्री कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह एक हेल्पलाइन नंबर लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, साथ ही कई अन्य कार्यक्रमों को संबोधित कर रहे हैं.
Also, we understand actually the funds, some of the payments can be done through online, and one more, sir, the students in the rural areas, they may not have access to this thing currently right now. They can also make a payment offline mode. So that also, in fact, the portal is taking care of it. So this is again the same thing, sir. What kind of ease is there for the stakeholders, for students as well as the colleges? Actually, the same thing. I just reiterated the whole thing. Actually, the application is a single application. Single place availability and cost effectiveness. And as for the college is concerned, this is one of the most attractive features of the colleges. Currently, in fact, government colleges have been taken out. Our future endeavor is to, in fact, ensure that even private as well as edu colleges, so that they'll be understanding what kind of features are available here. We're not going to touch some information which is private to the colleges for the matter of the private colleges. We hope after the pilot phase, in fact, maybe next year also, even the private as well as the government edu colleges will, in fact, take this, come onto the portal. So again, sir, there's features of the portal, the cost of repetition. It's a contactless admission. As everyone knows, contactless verification also this is the most important process, because we need to go put up a lot of certificates and verification, all those things. This can be done automatically. And the options, in fact, most of the options are available for the students. Actually, right now, sir, for the single entry, they can enter 5 colleges and 5 courses with a fee of 200 rupees. So this will be studied in the due course of in case something is done, we also incorporate the necessary improvements in that. So, as I told you, fee payment online as well as offline for the people who are in the rural areas and some other players. And part payment is most important thing. This demand from the colleges also. Sometimes part payment has to be made by the student. This can be is possible actually, sir. And this is fully in sync with the university admission schedule. So we have consulted with the universities, all 3 universities. So currently, in fact, they're on board also, and we don't have any kind of problem. And most important, so the student can have the college with merit list and course with merit list, so that in fact the option becomes very clear. This is not a single one snapshot kind of a thing. They'll understand where exactly they're positioned. So these are snapshot of the whole thing, sir. This is the home page of the admission portal, and the second comes of the student registration. It's only glimpse again. And this comes again the seat matrix, actually the kind of a colleges, the number of seats available in each one, in each category, like general, SC, BC and all that, so that they can understand. And the verification process here, in fact, for example, here the gentleman comes with seeing his signature, it can be easily verified. And finally, in fact, we have the information for the college also, and the kind of a college profiles and all that. What information is available from the college side? They can have a one tick and all. They can understand actually where exactly their position for that matter. And sir, they are the statistics right now. So currently, in fact, this information on the slide talks about the 18th yesterday only. Today, in fact, I think more than 42,000 have application come for the undergraduate courses, sir, and the postgraduate, in fact, more than 4,100 and all that thing must have come till now, actually at 1 p.m. of the today. So for the information of the Honorable Chief Minister, sir, this portal is open now, and the portal, the closure date can be decided actually in the present this thing, depending on because right now the demand is there, sir. Some colleges, in fact, their application have come much more than the seat. There are some colleges which, in fact, they're going in a fast track right now. So this is from my side, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, today we have with us some of the students who have used this portal, sir. Sir, with your permission, I would request Ms. Gavita Sharma from Bathinda, sir, who applied from this portal, sir, to share her experience, please.
Yeah, please do.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gavita Sharma, and I have applied for BCom course in Government Residra College, Bathinda. This entire admission process was a completely new experience for me, as I have just passed my 12th standard. So when I visited the college to inquire about the admission process, the authorities told me about online admission portal that has been newly launched by the Department of Higher Education, Government of Punjab. This portal has made applying for admission very easy, and it is helpful as compared to in-person admission. Here, applying to multiple courses and multiple colleges can be done at just one place.
तो इस वक्त स्टेट एडमिशन पोर्टल भी सीएम ने लॉन्च किया। पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को इस वक्त आप देख रहे हैं। एक हेल्पलाइन नंबर भी 112 उनकी तरफ से जारी किया गया है, जो आने वाले समय में पंजाब के लोगों